Today is a special day.
My doctor coat, it is ready.
Let's go. I am going to be a doctor today.
Good morning, Dr. Leo.
The coat is big, but I am ready.
Now I am Dr. Leo, official!
Today, we visit Dr. Patel. She is a real doctor for children.
A real doctor? I will learn real things?
Yes, a real day as a doctor.
A stethoscope and a flashlight.
There is one more thing. Look inside.
Okay, everything is inside. I am ready, Mama.
Good morning. Where are you going?
To the clinic. I am a doctor today. Stethoscope, stethoscope, stethoscope,
Good practice, doctor.
stethoscope, stethoscope.
Mama, look at the animals on the wall.
Beautiful, right? This is where children come to feel better. Children's Health Clinic. This is the place. Are you ready? Yes, let's go in. Oh, there are fish. Yes, they help children feel calm. Good morning. Are you our junior doctor today?
Yes, I am Dr. Leo.
Then this sticker is for you. Hello, you must be Dr. Leo. I am Dr. Patel.
Hello, Dr. Patel. I am very happy to meet you.
This is the skeleton, and this is the heart.
The heart is so red.
Yes, it works very hard every day. This is the femur, the longest bone, femur. And this? Those are the ribs. They protect your heart and lungs.
Everything is so clean and white.
Yes, clean rooms keep patients safe. Earpieces go in like this, pointing forward.
Like this?
Perfect. Now you are ready to listen. Press it here, just left of center.
I hear it, lub-dub, lub-dub.
That is your heart, working perfectly.
It is like a little drum.
A healthy heart is steady, not too fast.
What if it is too fast?
Then the doctor must check why. That is our job.
Heart, lub-dub?
Very good notes, Dr. Leo. I want to remember everything. This flashlight helps us look inside the ear.
What do you look for?
We check if the ear is healthy and clear inside.
Okay, I'll write that down.
I can see inside. It looks like a tunnel. Exactly right.
This dark circle in the middle, that is the pupil.
Pupil.
And the color part? The iris. And the clear front cover is the cornea.
Pupil, iris, cornea.
Here you go, Dr. Leo.
Wow, I can see the eye model. It is so detailed.
You are a natural, Dr. Leo. Food enters here, the mouth, then goes down here, the esophagus.
Esophagus?
Then to the stomach, then the intestines, out the other end.
Esophagus?
Intestines! That is a funny word.
It is, but very important.
Intestines.
Dr. Leo, meet Benny. He is your patient today.
Hello, Benny. Do not worry, I am your doctor. He is happy to see you.
Okay, Benny. Let us begin the examination.
Benny's heart sounds good, strong and steady.
Excellent observation, Doctor.
The ear looks clear, no problems.
Good. What does that mean?
It means the ear is healthy. What is this test?
It tests the nervous system. The body reacts automatically.
Nervous system.
These are common symptoms: cough, sneeze, runny nose.
And fever, that is high temperature, right?
Exactly right. Normal temperature is 37 degrees, like this.
And fever is higher than 37?
Yes, the body gets warm when it fights sickness.
Dr. Patel, Benny's temperature is 38.2.
Oh, what does that mean? It means Benny has a fever.
For a fever, first, rest. Second, drink water. Third, medicine if needed. Rest, water, medicine. Got it. It's okay, Mia. We're here to help. Mia, today we have a special junior doctor. Would you like to meet him?
Okay.
Hello, Mia. I am Dr. Leo. I am here to help you.
You are small for a doctor.
I am a junior doctor. Mia, can you open your mouth wide? Like this.
Ah.
Good. Stay still, please.
Her throat looks red. Is that the problem?
Yes, good observation, doctor.
Mia, can I listen to your breathing? Can you take a big breath? That's it, big breath. Perfect. All done. I hear something. A little rough.
Yes, that is a slight wheeze. The lungs are a little congested.
Am I going to be okay?
Yes, Mia. Dr. Patel will help you feel much better soon.
Promise?
I promise. You are in a good place.
She looks more relaxed already. Thank you, doctor.
You are welcome.
Rest at home for 2 days. Warm drinks, soup, tea, honey water.
And medicine?
Yes, I will give you a prescription. She will feel better in a few days. Dr. Leo, that was a real examination. You were careful and kind. That is exactly what a good doctor does.
Thank you, Mia. Get well soon.
Bye, Dr. Leo.
Look at all these words, Dr. Leo. You wrote all of this today.
I wrote a lot.
You learned a lot.
Official junior doctor of the day.
This is real?
Very real.
Mama, look, I got a certificate.
Let me see. Oh, Dr. Leo, I am so proud of you.
First, we learned the skeleton, the femur is the longest bone, and the heart says lub dub.
What else?
And I listened to Mia's breathing and I heard the wheeze.
Good evening, everyone. I am Dr. Leo. I will see each of you now.
Heart sounds good. Next patient, please. Your ear is clear. Good. Next patient, please. Temperature is normal.
Doctor, what does this patient need?
The giraffe has a slight fever, rest and water, and I will check again tomorrow.
He really learned everything.
Stethoscope. Heart. And a smiley face for Mia.
everything in its place. Ready for tomorrow.
Stethoscope, femur diagnosis.